Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. Welcome back. We have Gatie here with a song called Malibu. Very easy song to play, guys. Only 3 chords, easy chords as well. It goes in the same order through the entire song, and with this simple strumming pattern. Let's start this one up. No need for any capo on this one, so we're going clean. Let's take a look at the 3 chords, starting with A minor 7. Alright, so that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have the C major 7, so you just do this transition here, and that will be third on A, second on D, open G, open B, and open E. And then we have the finally F major 7, so that is third on D, second on G, first on B, and open E. Okay, that order, A minor 7, C major 7, and F major 7 through the entire song. Now, let's take a look at the strumming pattern. So, it will be like this. Okay, so what I do here, I pick the strings. I think that sounds much better than doing the downstrokes. You could. And then it will be down, clap, clap. That's one round if you do the downstrokes, all right? So we're starting with that. That's one round. Down, clap. So it's a longer pause there between the last down and the final clap there. So down, clap, pause, clap. Down, clap, pause, clap. That's that, but you can also do the picking, and I prefer that. So if you do the picking, then we have certain notes you want to emphasize here. So for the A minor 7, you want to emphasize the first fret B string, the B string here from the chord. This note. And for the C major, you're gonna go with the same string there. This time it's open, so the open B string. That one. And for the F major 7, you want to emphasize the open E string. Okay, the last E string there. All right, so when you do the picking here, with the A minor 7, you pick all the strings in the middle here, A, D, G, and B string. And you follow the same pattern, so it's pick, clap, instead of down. All right, so that's one round. All right, and then you switch to the C major and play the same strings there, pick the same strings in the same pattern. And then you finally go to F major and you pick all the last 4 strings, so the D, G, B, and E together. And you play that for 2 rounds. So it's A minor 7, 1, C major 7, 1, and the F major 7, 2. Like this. Alright guys, so that's what's going on here with Gatie's Malibu. Give it a try. Very cool and kind of slow song to practice your chords with. So yeah, thank you for watching guys, and until next time, play tuned.